Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how you can change your destiny. To begin, understand that your future is not predetermined. It is actively shaped by the decisions you make every single day. Start by identifying one or two key areas in your life where you truly desire a different outcome. Recognize the immense power of your daily actions and your mindset in steering your personal journey. This foundational understanding is the first crucial step. Now, let's define your desired future. Take time to clearly articulate your long-term goals and aspirations, painting a vivid picture of what success looks like for you. Once you have this vision, break down those larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the journey feel less daunting. Regularly visualize your success, seeing yourself achieving these outcomes, to reinforce positive beliefs and maintain focus. With your goals defined, it's time for action. Implement consistent daily actions that are directly aligned with your aspirations. Understand that challenges and setbacks are inevitable. Develop resilience to navigate these moments without losing sight of your path. Don't hesitate to seek support from mentors or friends and learn valuable lessons from others' experiences. Every small step forward builds momentum towards your new destiny. To sustain your transformation, regularly review your progress and be willing to adjust your approach as needed. Life is dynamic, and flexibility is key. Celebrate every small victory along the way. These acknowledgments fuel your motivation and reinforce positive habits. Embrace continuous learning and personal growth, understanding that this journey is ongoing. Your destiny is a living creation, constantly evolving with your choices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.